Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue can't be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software. So to solve this issue, first thing just click on OK, and now just go to Finder. In Finder you need to select application and choose the software which you are trying to open, and you got that error earlier. So in my case it's MySQL Workbench. Right click on it and select open, and you'll be getting the exact same warning over here, but now we are having a extra open option. Click it, and as you can see, now the application has opened successfully without any issues. And even if I now close it, like close it fully, and again even if I now go to Launchpad and open that particular application, this time we won't be getting any errors, and directly that application will open and that issue has been fixed. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.